Meaning of hussy.
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 Hussy. The term hussy is typically used as a derogatory way to describe a woman who is viewed as promiscuous or sexually immoral. It can also be used to describe a woman who acts in a way that is seen as indecent or lacking in morals. The word has a long history, with usage dating back to at least the 16th century. Today, it is considered outdated and offensive by many people, particularly because it reinforces sexist and patriarchal attitudes towards women. It is important to avoid using derogatory language towards others and to instead focus on respectful communication.